To fix can insert double space while typing using your on-screen keyboard, you have to make sure that the double space to type period feature in Lenovo Flex 5 Chromebook is disabled. To do so, while you are flexing your Chromebook so that it acts as a tablet, tap the input method shortcut on the cell. The shortcut will be available if you have enabled show input option on the cell feature on the setting. Now tap the settings icon and then under input method section, tap the right arrow icon next to your current keyboard language, and then under on-screen keyboard section, tap the on off switch next to double space to type period. The switch will turn gray as a sign that this option is off. Now when you double tap the space key on the on-screen keyboard, it will insert the double space in your typing. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.